All right, what is up, y'all? I just want to do some quick technical analysis on Vechain, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and XRP. Just kind of run through real quick what I see happening with all those coins, and at the end, I briefly want to talk about GSX, Goldbach Cryptocurrency. So stick around to the end if you're interested in hearing about Goldbach Cryptocurrency. So guys. Just run through real quick with XRP. I got stopped out of my long. I think we're currently in a descending triangle. We're reaching an apex here. We're gonna have to see how we break out. If we break out above, we're gonna break out bullishly. Break down below, we're gonna guys. Basically, if we break out whatever way we break out, we're likely to break out significantly. So just watch out with this apex here on XRP, and then yeah, we've been breaking out bullishly above major resistance, but now we're consolidating down. So who knows where this will go? So we're gonna have to see if we can hold support at the 50 EMA on the hourly there. Now moving on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks potentially bearish here, guys. Actually, I don't know. This long wick to the downside is fairly bullish. We're getting a higher lows in the RSI. Looks like we're gonna have a crossover on the MACD. Histogram taken up. Bitcoin loves to form like these descending ascending triangles and have fake outs where we break down and that gets bought back up and we go back up. We're currently finding support on what is this, the 100? Ooh, okay. Yeah, this could potentially be bullish, but then again, guys, this price action is bearish. We're getting rejected off the 16 lower highs. So we have contradicting things here. Price action is looking downward. We got rejected off 16 psychological important place, but long wick to the downside, finding support on the 100. RSI making higher lows. MACD ticking up. So this could be the beginning of a reversal, but we'll have to see. I wouldn't trade this right now. This is very indeterminate, but I just want to give you guys that update. I think Bitcoin could potentially be very bearish with these lower highs getting rejected off the 16, but we'll see. This could go either way, in my opinion. I wouldn't be trading this right now. So now let's move on to Ethereum. So Ethereum could potentially be bearish here because we had an ascending triangle here. We poked above, it seemed to get rejected, and now we're beneath this ascending triangle. So this could potentially be bearish, significantly bearish, although much like Bitcoin, we have contradictory information because we're finding support on our 200 EMA on the hourly, lower highs in RSI. MACD looks like we could have a crossover event, a bullish crossover, histogram ticking up. So in my opinion, this is very indeterminate. I wouldn't trade this right now because price action looks bearish. We broke out above ascending triangle but got rejected, and now we're beneath the this line here on the ascending triangle, but we seem to be finding support at the 200, and our indicators could potentially be turning bullish. Ultimately, for this downturn to be a fake out, I would want to see us hold support above the 100. So that's what I see with Ethereum. Ethereum could actually potentially be bearish right now. Although if we can hold the support on our 200, in our RSI and MACD are looking like they might be trending upwards. So we'll see. We could trend up back to like maybe 470, then get rejected again. We'll have to see how this plays out a little bit more. I'm not too comfortable. I wouldn't be confident calling direction at this moment. I think it's very indecisive. And now on to Vechain. Vechain is in an ascending triangle. You can draw this kind of two different ways here on the 4 hour. This is more of a real macro ascending triangle right here, and a smaller one here in the near term. Either way, we're bound to hit an apex in the next few days here. So we'll have to see how this plays out. Personally, I would like, I would like Vechain to go down, to be honest, because I want to accumulate more Vechain, because I know in the long term, not financial advice, in my opinion, Vechain is very likely to do very well. Vechain is one of my most optimistic coin holdings I have. I'm very bullish on Vechain long term, and honestly, I would want it to break down because I'd want to buy at cheaper prices. So looking at the RSI is not doing a whole lot. Lower high, volume's decreasing. What's the MACD saying? We're on the 4 hour. Yeah, still have room to go down. What we could do is break down below this triangle and then maybe test this one. We'll see, guys. But bottom line, I think these are the two most significant patterns here for the moment. Okay, so that's what we have to look out for, apexes on both these ascending triangles. And let's see if we can gain any more knowledge by looking here. Yeah. RSI is making lower highs, but MACD's ticking up. Very indecisive, very indecisive. We could go back up. See if we bounce off the 200 on the hourly, we could go back up to retest these regions here. Actually, I wonder if this would even be a potential day trade thing. Oh, you know what? Woo! Actually, so let's say this could potentially theoretically be an interesting day trade opportunity if we have a bullish crossover on the hourly, histogram sticking in the green, our moving averages crossover bullishly, and if we get a higher high in the RSI, and if we can hold the 200 on the hourly, this could potentially shoot back up to retest these regions, which could be like a 5-ish% jump. So, yeah, I'm gonna look more into this. We could potentially see a retest of these higher regions, but we could also break down. So we'll have to see, guys. Those are basically all my thoughts with those. I just want to give you guys an update when it comes to technical analysis on what I see happening with all these coins here in the near future. Just what I'm thinking about. Now, before I wrap up this video, I want to take the opportunity to talk about Goldbach Cryptocurrency. This brand new cryptocurrency hasn't even been released to the exchanges yet. It's called GSX. It's made by Apollo Fintech. The gist of this coin is Apollo Fintech runs these gold mines. Half of the profits from these gold mines will go to actually backing the cryptocurrency itself. As we can see here, this is their timeline. There's roughly 3 to 4 months left in their sale. They're currently offering a 35% sign-up bonus. They're working on a Binance listing. That I find that very interesting. If we get listed on Binance, just because something excites me doesn't mean it has to excite you. If we do indeed get a Binance listing, I think that's a big deal. And as we can see here, they claim that in 3 years there will be enough assets backing the coin to have an asset valuation of $1 per coin. They're currently selling it for 10 cents a coin, so that would be a 10x. Now, just keep in mind, the trading price could be more or less than the amount of assets backing the coin. That's just something to keep in mind. They pay yearly dividends. They're offering 10 billion coins to be sold. 50% of those that aren't sold will be burned, so there will be a token burn. So, there are some interesting things about this project. And then I want to mention what I see as the biggest risk. I don't know how well Apollo Fintech is running these gold mines. They may be running them well. They may not be. I don't know. Now, this fell into my risk tolerances, so I decided to invest. But, if you guys like this idea, if you do your own research, you want to participate in GSX, this brand new cryptocurrency, Goldbach Crypto, I invite you to check out the link down in the description where it says 5% sign-up bonus. If you click on that link and you sign up using that link, you will get a 5% sign-up bonus. And I get a commission based off that, so I want to make that very clear. This is almost like a sponsorship because I get a commission based off that. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. This is Goldbach Cryptocurrency, an interesting idea. It's probably gonna be a while before this gets listed on the exchanges. But if it's like 6 to 8 months, however long it is before we do, 4 to 6, however long it is before we get listed on exchange if we get listed on exchange while Bitcoin is pumping and gold is pumping, I think this has a very good chance of doing very well. Like something I've been considering more and more is the fact that the Americans have been printing trillions and trillions of dollars as of recent. That's only going to continue, which is going to continue to devalue their currency and inflate assets like gold in Bitcoin. So if we do get get a listing in like half a year or something, 6 months around there, the launch sale is supposed to last 3 to 4, so maybe we can get it 4 to 6 months. But point is, guys, if we get listed in like 4 to 6 months and Bitcoin and gold are in the middle of a bull run, I'm getting more and more optimistic about this thing. But that's just me. I want to encourage you guys to please do your own research. I'm going to leave a link down to their white paper and their website in the description, so you can check that out as well. Please practice proper risk management, meaning don't invest anything you're not willing to lose. Practice portfolio diversification. Don't put all your money into one thing. I have my money diversified into several different coins, and understand your own risk tolerances. Are you very risk averse? Are you not? This fell into my risk tolerances, so I decided to invest. But you know what, guys, do your own research. You guys do what's best for you. If you like the idea of Goldbach Cryptocurrency, check out the link down in the description. There's a 5% sign up bonus. So yeah, all right, guys, take care.